pulling up, pulling up, pulling up, pulling up, pulling up. What do you mean? It's here. It's mouth. Two mouth guys. Two mouth guys just ran in here. But you're like a perfectly. Oh, dude, you're like a buffet though, and you're like easy prey. No, like there's gonna be no adversity getting you. What is it? Turn around.
Dude, they're right on the
Oh my god. He's body slammed you, dude. Did you let him do that to you?
I was not laughing.
You sure were. Alright, brothers and sisters. Once again, Bertlen.
30 here.
And it's snowing, dude. We wake up and it's snowing. What are you gonna do about it?
Yeah,
what are you gonna do about
ready.
it?
All my bars are filled.
There's a shit ton of cannibals. Okay, so in this episode, we are going to hit up a story cave. I think that was the plan. How's it going, brother? Ooh, oh my, I'm blocking. He still is doing some damage here. Dude, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh God, I was already low, but dude, you can't even like hit them without them like demolishing you.
Dude, maybe we should just hit up the cave.
Yeah, dude, we're gonna hit up the story cave this one. Yeah, we're just gonna hit up like the story cave, see if we can get something going here. So we gotta check this shit. We gotta go this way. This is the nearest one. So yeah, R.I.P. to Kelvin, man. He only lasted about 2 videos.
Yeah.
Only lasted like dude. I don't even know or remember and know what happened. Like I don't even know how. Dude, I have every notification you can ask for. You are tired. You are thirsty. You are hungry.
Really? Dude, I'm ready to go.
Actually, those are the other ones are like just building shit. Oh, dude, we should have deleted those log shits before we moved. Fuck. It's just gonna be on the screen.
Yeah, it's on my screen too.
Right here. Okay. When it gets spear ready, you get. I'll be torch ready. Fuck me.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go in there.
Okay, give me a second here. Here we go. Oh my god.
Oh.
It's just like when I tell you, like this door is probably like a handful, like a couple feet in front of you, 3 feet, and then.
Wait, let me build some arrows.
Oh, I just realized this is like a hallway, brother. Oh god.
Okay.
Storyline. Oh, dude.
I'm like on your ass right now.
Oh.
Oh.
Helmet, arm, chest. What is this? Whoa, 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 whoa.
Printer paper? Parallel universe book? Oh god, dude.
Parallel
Really?
universe book. The fuck?
Dude, there's a 3D printer here.
Oh, dude, you can print shit. Grapple hook. Tech mesh. I don't know what the tech mesh is for. Can print a sled. A flask. The mask, dude. That in the trailer from the trailer probably. I'm gonna try print a mask.
So it's gonna take 15 minutes?
Oh. Holy fuck. Wait, so dude, this is how they make the masks that they be wearing.
Let me make a mask.
So they're like, oh dude, there's arrows over here. Nice.
Dude, it's actually a resin 3D printer. That's pretty cool.
Oh god.
Dude, I'm making a grappling hook. What do you mean?
Dude, so this is supposed to hide us? This makes it a
Yeah.
little bit more scary.
Oh, now I gotta find it in my stupid inventory.
I'm gonna make a flask first.
Yeah, I'm gonna make everything. Yeah. Let me get on this shit. Get it.
Okay, printed flask. Nice, dude. I was wondering how we're gonna get that shit.
There's some carbon fiber arrows right here.
Yeah, I grabbed those. Dude, how much shit are you printing? Like, just print one fucking thing and go to bed.
I wanna have everything, dude. Are you kidding? This is a 3D printer.
Okay,
wait.
go to bed.
I got like one more. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna craft the sled and then I'm done. You have any more 3D printer liquid you can put in there?
Not for you.
Dude, come on, put a little in there. Come on, bro.
That's all I got, bro. Sorry. Okay. Lighter should be decent for now. I'm ready to spear. If anything happens.
Okay, I'm ready too.
God, it's so bright. Fucking, you slightly scared the fuck out of me. Slightly.
Oh, dude, this is like a nice place. Some cash.
Can always use the extra cash. Creepy, creepy music. No card. Okay, we'll go the other way. Alright, I'm ready to dip. Nothing in here. Make sure ain't nobody ready for us on the way out.
I'm like freezing. My guy is shaking. We gotta go somewhere.
Pulling up, pulling up, pulling up, pulling up, pulling up. What do you mean? It's here. It's mouth. Two mouth guys. Two mouth guys just ran in here. Two mouth guys. And we can't. Dude, the water's frozen. Oh fuck! They can just run after us. Oh.
Let's just get out of here.
He's on you. He's chasing. They just chase.
Let's just go straight to the
I
cave.
impaled the fuck out of him. Yeah, go, go, go. He's chasing me. I know he's right by me. I know he's right by me. I hear his footsteps. I hear his footsteps. I hear his footsteps.
Come to the running water, dude. We need water.
I'm gonna turn around and he better not be right there. Okay.
Okay, let's go to the cave.
I need some water. I threw my spear into it and then, yeah. Lost my spear in it.
I think the cold is taking... Oh, you lost your spear in it.
Yeah.
What a loser.
Thank God I found tape at the resin place, dude.
Oh, you don't have tape? Well, I got a ton.
No,
of
I
tape.
have tape. I have tape. Oh! I stopped for 1 second and I hear something.
Dude, just keep running. I'm here already.
I stopped for 1 second. Dude. Run, 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 run. I'm going in. Okay, down we go.
Shuffling.
You already hear shuffling?
I do.
Down the cave we go.
You want me to lead? You want me to lead?
I don't mind. But I mean, I can lead.
You got the torch.
I do have the torch, and it's just gonna be lovely. God, Oh, the bats. Any second now.
I'm right behind you, buddy.
What is this? Holy fuck.
Food and dining, dude.
Food and dining in this in you have to come
in this economy?
Dude, in a cave? What do you mean? Like you have to go down this treacherous cave and then you have to open this fucking thing for food and dining? That doesn't.
Must be some kind of. Oh, it's putting me in here. Kind of like access panel.
Ooh! I just went down.
Oh, there should be food here, dude. Yeah.
Oh, dude, this shit is so like eerie.
There's food here, dude. Eat some food.
Yeah, I'm fucking taking all that shit. What is these crunchy Ooh, not bad.
Dude, there's meat here. Let's set up a fire real quick and just cook this meat.
I need to go crazy off some of these energy bars and fucking energy cans because I don't got no. What does that sound?
Oh my god, dude, the fire alarm.
The fire alarm? Oh no. No, dude. Imagine someone. Is someone just gonna show up to take care of this fire alarm? Like what?
I'm on fire, dude. I'm literally on fire.
Brother.
Dude, come look at this.
Wow. Is that the artifact from the first game that they built around or what? No. That's not.
food for tonight's events only.
I bet you there's bodies in there. Alright, dude. I don't know what else is in here.
I need a key card, dude.
Imagine just running through the snow at like in the forest at like 1 a.m.
It's like freezing cold.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that purple dot is like a cross fucking feet. Oh, dude, it's in the middle of the water. Oh, but if the water is frozen, maybe we can walk there.
Is the ocean
so
frozen?
The water is not frozen over, yeah.
I think it's that thing right there in the water, though. And
yeah.
You think there's gonna be sharks out there?
Oh no, dude, it's not this close to shore.
Out there, dude.
It's not that far, bro. It's in the bay.
Looks far as fuck.
Okay, dude, I think I'm just gonna start swimming.
I'm right behind you. Let me know if you see any fins in the water.
Oh, I will. Maybe like a tiger shark. But those shouldn't be too bad.
Those shouldn't be too bad? Tigers can get big.
Tiger shark?
Yeah.
Not as big as a great white.
Yeah, but they can still get fucking big as fuck, dude. Like.
Yeah, but they're generally not like super aggressive. They should be fine.
Oh my god, all that shit is just stupid. Oh yeah, they're not. Oh my god, fuck that.
Dude, people like.
What if it's just hungry?
Dude, it probably wouldn't be hungry for you.
But you're like a perfectly. Oh, dude, you're like a buffet though, and you're like easy prey. No, like there's gonna be no adversity getting you.
Oh,
what is it? Turn around!
Dude, they're right under me. Oh my god,
wait, you're still going for it?
I'm still going, bro. Oh, dude, it's on me. It's killing me.
Dude, there's a fin next to me, brother.
Dude, I need to get up on it.
Dude, it jumped out of the water. There's fins. I told you. Oh
my god, dude. Okay, I'm in the thing.
Me too. Get me up now. I can't believe it. Get up, dude.
I tried the 2 sharks, dude.
Holy shit. What is going on with this? Who is this?
Dude, there's a gun right here.
GPS locator color like this. A pistol, brother.
Pistol, dude.
Fucking, what's it called? Stims.
We got only a...
Music's going crazy, though, for this guy.
Wow.
Dude, so he survived, but couldn't make it out. Well, he's bloody. He got fucked up somehow. Oh my god, the sharks, dude. How lovely. Of course, there's just sharks out here where you need to go. Oh, this thing is fucking fat.
That's a great white, dude. It shouldn't be this close to shore.
Dude, this is not that close to shore. This is like they got room to swim.
I'm swimming back to shore.
You're gonna swim back?
Yeah, I'm not hanging out in this water.
Alright, dude. I'm coming.
You want food? Do you need food?
I got it. When I tell you, me and a great white just cross paths as like 2 cars on a road. I can't believe Kelvin lasted 2 videos. 2 of the very first videos ever. He's gone. Whoa, dude. I hear horrific things outside.
Dude, is this the part where we got stuck on?
Yeah. Guy right here. Oh, fuck. Arm guy right here. Fucking mouth guy right here. What the fuck? Oh my god. There's 2 arm guys. oh god, oh god, oh god. What is over here? Nice ammo.
More ammo.
Newspaper.
Something to read.
Missing CEO. Is that what's his face? Edward
Puffton.
Puffton.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's
Oh my
body
God.
slammed you, dude. You let him do that to you?
I was caught lacking.
Yeah, sure were.
Oh, there's a whole ass moose right here, dude.
Holy shit. There's multiple. Oh my god, it's massive, brother. It's massive. Like a deer? We thought a deer would be good. We get ourselves one of these. Oh god, it's fast. See ya. Fucking moose right here. Oh, that's 3. I hit it 3 times.
I bet it's
After
die.
it, dude. After it. Dude, it's fast. It's fucking so far. Oh, it's so fast. It's tougher than the deer.
I hit it once, dude. It should go down.
It's so fast. It looks it. You're mine. That's 3 more swings. It's down. And it is down. Let's see how much meat this thing gives. Let me get in there. Ooh, we got some skin. This thing is fucking huge. Jesus Christ.
Dude, look. Damn it.
Ooh, almost hit you with a 360, brother.
Come here, you. Okay, my strength is just getting depleted.
I'm trying to hit you with a
Okay.
360 just once.
I'm quitting.
Nice. All right. It has been Lems and Bertlen.
Run,
We'll see
baby.
y'all soon. We'll see y'all very soon. We will see y'all in the next one. Peace, nigga.